Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. We are your host. Today we explore a pivotal development for MedTech innovators targeting the Middle East. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority's, or SFDA's, Innovative Medical Devices Pathway, officially known as MDS-G002. This initiative is a cornerstone of Saudi Arabia's strategy to enhance local manufacturing, cultivate innovation, and establish the kingdom as a leading regional hub for advanced healthcare. The guideline MDS-G002 itself has seen updates, including a notable revision to version 3.0, which was published in 2024, underscoring the SFDA's commitment to refining this accelerated route. The innovative device pathway is designed to significantly expedite the regulatory review for medical devices that introduce novel technology, offer unique performance, or provide substantial clinical benefits over existing alternatives. This accelerated process aims to reduce the time to market, a clear advantage for both patients awaiting new treatments and manufacturers. There are dual mechanisms within this pathway. First, the pre-submission assessment offers manufacturers early and continuous feedback from the SFDA during the preparation of their technical files. This proactive engagement helps ensure regulatory readiness and allows potential issues to be addressed before formal submission. Second, the priority marketing authorization prioritizes the review of these innovative device submissions, fast-tracking the evaluation while upholding stringent safety and efficacy standards. Furthermore, devices that meet the innovation criteria and are supported by valid clinical evidence may receive conditional marketing authorization. This allows for earlier market entry, though it comes with requirements for strict post-market surveillance and certain limitations until full authorization is achieved. The SFDA also provides regulatory guidance, publicizes approvals to increase visibility for these innovations, and offers feedback opportunities during preclinical and clinical development stages, supporting innovators comprehensively. To be eligible for the MDS-G002 pathway, a product must feature innovative technology, new indications, or performance specifications with no equivalent currently in the local or global market. It must also demonstrate a considerable clinical or medical advantage over existing alternatives and meet the essential principles for safety and performance, backed by robust preclinical and clinical data. Applicants are required to submit a thorough justification for their innovation claim. The impact of this pathway extends to time to market within the broader Gulf region. By streamlining and prioritizing regulatory reviews, the SFDA initiative significantly shortens the journey for innovative devices to reach patients in Saudi Arabia and, by extension, influences access in neighboring Gulf markets. This pathway is also deeply intertwined with Saudi Arabia's national goals, specifically Saudi Vision 2030 and the Made in Saudi program. These programs aim to reduce reliance on imports and stimulate domestic production through incentives like subsidies, tax exemptions, and priority procurement for locally manufactured devices. While SFDA approval is not automatically recognized across all Gulf Cooperation Council countries, the kingdom's progressive regulatory framework and rapid market access capabilities are setting a benchmark for the region. For companies seeking assistance with the SFDA's innovative pathway or other global market access challenges, we encourage you to check out Pure Global. Thank you for listening to this episode, and we hope you'll join us next time.